Blackout Bingo freezing on the startup screen usually points to an app, connection, or device problem, and you can check those causes in a specific order before reinstalling the game. By the end, you'll know what to do when Blackout Bingo stays on the loading screen, becomes unresponsive, or closes shortly after opening. Start by completely closing Blackout Bingo. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On Android, open the recent app screen and dismiss the game. Then, launch it again. If it freezes again, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and reopen Blackout Bingo. A connection can be strong enough for normal browsing while still having trouble communicating with a game server. Next, restart your phone. This clears temporary system processes and gives Blackout Bingo a fresh start. After the restart, open the game before launching other, demanding apps. Then check for an app update. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android, search for Blackout Bingo, and install an available update. An outdated app can have compatibility problems after changes to your phone's operating system or related services. If you're using Android, clear the Blackout Bingo cache. Go to Settings, Open Apps, select Blackout Bingo, choose Storage, and tap Clear Cache. The exact menu names can vary by phone manufacturer and Android version. Do not tap Clear Data unless you understand the effect and know your Blackout Bingo login details. Clearing data is different from clearing the cache, because it can remove locally stored app information. If you're on iPhone, there isn't a general clear cache button for individual apps. Instead, restart the phone, update Blackout Bingo, and check whether iOS itself has an available update. You should also check your available phone storage. If your device is nearly full, apps can have problems creating temporary files or completing updates. Remove unnecessary files or unused apps if storage is critically low. Then restart Blackout Bingo. If Blackout Bingo freezes while every other app works normally, the problem may be specific to the game. If the freeze started immediately after an app or operating system update, compatibility is another possibility. Reinstalling Blackout Bingo should be a later step, not the first one. Before deleting it, make sure your account is connected to a login method you can access again. Then reinstall the app from the official App Store or Google Play listing. If the game still freezes after a fresh installation, contact Blackout Bingo support and provide your phone model, operating system version, and exactly where the startup process stops. So the order is simple. Force close the app. Test another connection. Restart the phone. Update Blackout Bingo. Clear the Android cache if applicable. And reinstall only after confirming your account access. Try those steps in order, and if this fixed the startup freeze, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo fixes.